On the shortlist for this award, high-performing new companies with an innovative edge and something to shout about.
It's Gas-Tag.
More than anything, it's about credibility for what we're trying to do. We've got a bit of a mission to try and get Gas-Tag's our product on every single property in the UK. And things like this is to get recognition, so it's a bit more of an easier task to try and get into people's properties when people recognise you. As a business, we're in a big transition period. We took a lot of investments on early in the new year, and we're trying to expand quite aggressively at the minute, and we're taking on a lot of people. So locally, we're quite well known for being an innovative young tech company. So this will help exacerbate that, I suppose. I think the old way of doing business, where it was very tough and people not being too kind to each other, I think that way is dying at the minute. I think getting on with people and creating relationships with people, and more importantly, being honest and being yourself and not trying to be the cleverest person at every meeting that you ever go to, that helps. I think it's important to give a little bit back with regards to the people who are trying to create businesses, to let them know that you're going to cock up a few times, you're going to cock up lots actually, and I think giving back to people to let them know that you're going to fail more than you succeed. And when I speak to people now, I think that helps more than anything, because I've had failed businesses, and I think when you talk about that, people don't feel as much as a failure when you failed quite a few times as well.